Hello guys, welcome back to AkOps channels. So quick note, before we begin, this is not a practical DevOps tutorial. This is a theory-based video where we'll discuss the common DevOps learning, mistake and how to avoid them. So if you are traveling, working, studying or relaxing, feel free to put your headphones and listen like a podcast. Now let's get started. So if you are learning DevOps right now, this video for you. So many people spend months learning Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, Linux, CI/CD, and other technology. But even after spending so much of time learning, many people still confused and they don't know why they are not making progress. The reason is very simple. They are making some common mistake. Today I'm going to share the 5 DevOps learning mistakes that you should avoid if you want to learn faster and become a job ready. So let's start with mistake number 1. So mistake number 1, learning tool instead of concept. So many beginners trying to learn every tool they see. So Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, AWS, and many more. The problem is they know the tool name, but they don't understand the concept behind them. So remember this, tool change, concepts stay forever. Instead of focusing only on tools, understand the concept like CI/CD, container, automations, infrastructure as a code, monitoring. So once you understand these concepts, learning a new tool become much easier. So don't chase every new tools, master the fundamental first. So mistake number 2, watching tutorial without building project. So watching videos is useful and courses are useful, but watching alone will not make you DevOps engineer. So many people spend hundreds of hours watching tutorial, but when asked to build something, they don't know how to start, where to start. The best way to learn is building. So simple. So first you just create a Docker project and build CI/CD pipeline, deploy simple application, set up a monitor, break things and fix them. So when you build the project, you gain a real experience and real experience build confidence. So that's how you learn new project. And before we continue, I want to quick share something can help many of you. So if you are applying for the DevOps, cloud, platform engineer, an SRE or IT jobs, one of the biggest challenges is creating strong resume. So that's why I built AkOps Resume AI. With AkOps Resume AI, you can upload your resume, compare it with your job description, identify the missing skill, and get a AI powered suggestion to improve your resume. Instead of guessing why you are not getting interview calls, and you can see exactly what need to improve. So if you are serious about your career growth, check out AkOps Resume AI using the link in the description below. So you can get more detail about this AkOps Resume AI. So you can check there's another video, the full video I uploaded. So check it out and you will get more details. Okay, so now let's continue with the next mistake. So mistake number 3, learning everything separately. So many people learn Linux, then Git, then Docker, then Kubernetes, but they learn each topic separately. In a real company, everything works together. For example, a developer push code to Git, a CI/CD pipeline automatically built to application. The Docker create container image, the image stored in a registry, the Kubernetes deployed in production. So this is a complete workflow. Understanding how tools work together is much more important than the learning them individually. So always think about bigger picture. Then mistake number 4, chasing certification only. So certifications are good. They help you to learn, they help you resuming, and they help you to get noticed. But certification alone will not make you DevOps engineers. Interviewer want to know what project have you built, what problem you solved, how do you troubleshoot issue, how do you think when something break, and build hands-on skill first. So then your certification is validate your knowledge. So skill get the job. So certification support your skill. So mistake number 5, learning without roadmap. This is probably biggest mistake. Today AWS, tomorrow Kubernetes, next week Terraform, then Python, then AI, then another random topic. So without a roadmap, learning become a confusion. A simple roadmap could be like there's a simple roadmap. So like Linux, Git, Docker, CI/CD, cloud, Kubernetes, monitoring, infrastructure as a code, like the following structure path. So complete one topic before moving the next one. So you don't need to learn everything at once. So stay focused, stay consistent, and trust the process. So you will win one day. So so in this video, in this AkOps labs, so we are uploading the lot of roadmaps, and the next application also we are planning to do the roadmap. So in the AkOps resume is under AkOps labs. So in the AkOps labs, we are going to launch a new one, the roadmap. So you will stay tuned. So you will get a new update. So for if you want to get a new update, so subscribe the channel, then you will get a new update, the AkOps labs. So summary of this video. So number 1, learning tools instead of concept. Number 2, watching tutorial without building project. Number 3, learning everything separately instead of understanding the complete workflow. Number 4, choosing certificates without add-on experience. Number 5, learning without roadmap. So avoid this mistake and your DevOps journey will become much smoother and faster. So if you've found this video helpful, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to AkOps Lab. Also, check out AkOps Resume using the link in description. Thank you to watch. Keep learn, keep building, learn with AkOps Labs, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.